The night he stood on stage in front of millions, screaming fans calling his name, Niall Horan still felt like the same nervous kid who almost didn't make it past the first round. Born in a small town in Ireland, Niall grew up surrounded by music, but far from fame. His parents separated when he was young, and life wasn't always stable. But one thing never changed: his love for the guitar. He taught himself to play, spending hours practicing, dreaming of a life bigger than the quiet streets he knew. At 16, he took a chance. He stepped onto the stage of a talent show that could change everything. His hands trembled, his voice shaky, but his passion undeniable. And yet, it wasn't enough. He was eliminated as a solo artist. Just like that, the dream seemed over before it even began. But fate had other plans. Instead of going home, Niall was given a second chance, grouped with 4 other boys who had also been rejected. Together, they formed something unexpected, something electric. That group would become one of the biggest bands in the world. Suddenly, Niall's life exploded. Sold-out arenas, global tours, millions of fans. But behind the success, there was pressure, doubt, and the fear that maybe he didn't belong among such overwhelming talent. Years later, when the band went on hiatus, the noise stopped. The spotlight dimmed, and once again, Niall faced a question that had followed him since the beginning. Who am I on my own? This time, he didn't run from it. He went back to what started it all: the guitar, the melodies, the quiet passion. He wrote songs that felt honest, stripped down, and real. And slowly, he rebuilt himself, not as part of a group, but as an artist with his own voice. His solo career didn't just succeed. It proved something deeper: that talent combined with resilience can survive any setback. That sometimes rejection isn't the end, it's a redirection. Today, Niall Horan stands not just as a global star, but as a reminder that success isn't always a straight line. It's messy, uncertain, and full of moments where giving up feels easier than pushing forward. But the ones who make it are the ones who keep going anyway. Because sometimes, not making it the first time is exactly what you need to become who you were meant to be. Subscribe to BioToons for more incredible animated stories.